Next problem is prove that R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equal to 4R. So this we have to prove. Okay. So for solving solution of triangle problems, we have to remember all the formula of solution of triangle. Okay. So we have to prove this one. Now solution. Okay. We have to prove R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R. Okay. So for R1 we have 4 formulas, for R2 also, for R3 also, for R also. So we can use any formula. Okay. So what formula we are using here? We have a triangle. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. So R1 is what? Opposite to a X circle radius. So R1 is what? Delta by S minus A. R2 will be delta by S minus B. R3 is what? Delta by S minus C. And R is what? Delta by S. Okay. So initially we are using these 4 formulas. Here we will put. So what will come here? Delta by S minus A plus delta by S minus B plus delta by S minus C minus delta by S. Okay. So these formulas we are putting here. Okay. This is LHS. Now here we can take delta common. In bracket 1 upon S minus A plus 1 upon S minus B plus 1 upon S minus C minus 1 upon S. Now in these two we are taking LCM. So what will come? Delta is outside in bracket. LCM is what? S minus A into S minus B. Numerator is what? S minus B plus S minus A. Plus here we are taking LCM. So LCM is what? S into S minus C. Numerator is what? S minus C. This will come. Okay. Now here we are using one more formula. That is, we know that 2S equal to what? A plus B plus C. Okay. So what will come? Delta in bracket. S plus S is what? 2S. And 2S is what? A plus B plus C. So 2S value we are putting here. So what will come here? A plus B plus C minus B minus A divided by. Okay. So this is what? S minus A into S minus B. Plus here S is getting cancelled. Minus of minus is what? Plus C divided by S into S minus C. This will come. You can see here B getting cancelled, A getting cancelled. Remaining is what? C, and here also remaining is what? C. So we can take C common. So what will come? Delta C in bracket. What is remaining? 1 upon S minus A into S minus B plus 1 upon S into S minus C. Now we will take LCM of these two. So what will come? Delta C into LCM of these two is what? S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what will come? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. In numerator, here we have S minus A into S minus B. So in numerator is what? S into S minus C. So what will come? S into S minus C. Plus here we have S into S minus C. So numerator is what? S minus A into S minus B. S minus A into S minus B. So what will come here? Delta C equal to, this one we can add delta square. Okay. We know that area of triangle square equal to what? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus A. So this one we can add delta square. That is area of triangle. Numerator is what? S into S minus C is what? S square minus SC. Plus if you multiply these two, what will come? S square minus AS minus BS plus AB. This will come. So what will come? Delta C S square minus SC plus S square, that is 2S square minus SC minus AS minus BS. So here we can take minus S common. What will come? A plus B plus C plus AB divided by delta square. Okay, we can cancel delta. So what will come? C 2S square minus S. A plus B plus C is what? 2S. So here we will put 2S value. So what will come? 2S plus AB divided by delta. So here 2S square getting cancelled. We will get what? C into AB. So what will come? ABC divided by delta. Okay. And we know that delta equal to what? ABC divided by 4R. So from here 4R equal to what? ABC divided by delta. So ABC by divided by delta is what? 4R. Okay, that means R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equal to what? 4R. This is your proof.